Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dave with Soulshine Travel. We have our second hotel room review of our trip. Today we are at the Encore in Las Vegas. We are in room 6323. All Encore rooms are suites. We're going to start in our hallway and go towards the bathroom. Slightly larger than the Waldorf Astoria, but very similar. As you can see, we have double vanities, separate tub, and separate shower. Very spacious, enough for both of us. As we walk past the hallway, we have our sleeping area. It's a very nice king-sized bed, very plush and comfortable. Plenty of drawer space over here, and a nice, looks like probably a 55-inch flat screen TV. And we have a sitting area, the nice couch with a chaise lounge. And then, of course, the view. We are on the top floor at the Encore. 63 is the top floor. We can see the new Fontainebleau right in front of us. Cannot wait for that to be open. One of our favorite hotels, the Resorts World Conrad Hilton. We've stayed there many times. And the Wynn Golf Course is also right below us. As you can see, we also have a nice workspace. It even has an Echo, so if you're familiar with Alexa, you can certainly see it even answered. And we have plenty of closet space as well. Just open that up for you. Okay. Extra bed sheets if you need it. And more drawer space. So that is our room tour of the Encore Hotel and Casino. It's room number 2 of our stay. We're here for one night. As always, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll have more trip videos and room tours coming soon. The next room tour you'll see will be at the Prince Hotel in